double fertilization. Fertilization is fusion of male gamete with female gamete. Fusion of male gamete with female gamete. This double fertilization is only seen in angiosperms. Double fertilization only seen in angiosperms. Already asked NEET level question. And this double fertilization was discovered by Navashin. Discovered by in Fritillaria and Lilium. And this double fertilization is confirmed by Grignard. Here, Navashin. This question again asked in the NEET. Now, what happens during double fertilization? The pollen tube enters into the embryo sac through synergate. So, the pollen tube carrying two male nuclei or male gametes or generative nuclei enters the synergate through filiform apparatus. I hope you remember, this is filiform apparatus. Synergids have some finger-like structures called filiform apparatus. Now, after entering, when this enters into the synergid, the tip of the pollen tube bursts. The tip of pollen tube bursts, releasing its content. यहाँ its content मतलब उसमें कौन कौन है? दो मेल न्यूक्लियाई है यानी कि जनरेटिव न्यूक्लियाई और आई कॉल इट एज मेल गैमेट्स और एक वेजिटेटिव न्यूक्लियाई है. सो टू मेल गैमेट and one vegetative nuclei. Now what happens? Out of two male gametes, one male gamete fuses with एग. एक मेल गैमेट, इसमें से दो मेल गैमेट हैं, एक मेल गैमेट एग के साथ फ्यूज करेगा। एग का और एक नाम है oosphere and forms a diploid zygote, और zygote को हम बोलते हैं oospore। रिमेंबर, zygote बनाएगा। Now this zygote later develops into embryo, later develops into embryo। वो कैसे होगा हम आगे देखेंगे। Now this fertilization मतलब one male gamete fuses with the female gamete, that is egg, and forms a diploid zygote. This process is called as true fertilization or generative fertilization or amphimixis or syngamy. There are different names for it. True fertilization, generative fertilization, amphimixis or syngamy. What is syngamy? Male gamete fuses with the female gamete. Remember, that is male nuclei fuses with the female egg nuclei. That is called as amphimixis. Now, the other nuclei or male gamete. The other nuclei, other male nuclei or male gamete fuses with secondary nuclei, which is a diploid, and forms pen. Pen is primary endosperm nucleus. Which is actually triploid, because secondary nuclei is diploid. The second male gamete is haploid. 2n plus n is 3n. So primary endosperm nucleus, which is triploid. Later this primary endosperm nucleus develops into, later pen develops into triploid endosperm, which is a nutritive tissue. This entire process, that is fusion of second male gamete with the secondary nuclei, this is called as false fertilization or also called as vegetative fertilization or also called as trophomixis. Here trophomixis, already asked question for the NEET. And these two events, these two events together called as double fertilization. These two events together called as double fertilization. Now, along with the double fertilization, we use one more word that is called as triple fusion. Now, let's see what is this triple fusion. I hope double fertilization is clear. Here there is one fertilization, that is true fertilization. Here there is one fertilization, that is false fertilization. So these are two fertilization, that's why it is double fertilization. Let's understand triple fusion. Here in this, while forming pen, what happens? In the center of the embryo sac, in the center of embryo sac, two polar nuclei are present and both are haploid. But before fertilization, these two polar nuclei, they fuse and form secondary nuclei. Which is a diploid. This secondary nuclei fuses with the second male gamete, which is a haploid. So here you say there are fusion of three nuclei, two polar nuclei and one male gamete. That's why this process is called as triple fusion. So double fertilization, triple fusion. They may ask you this question for 3 marks or 2 marks. What is double fertilization and triple fusion? What is double fertilization? The two fertilization events, that is true fertilization and false fertilization, or generative fertilization, vegetative fertilization, or amphimixis and trophomixis, together called as double fertilization, and fusion of three nuclei during the formation of pen is called as triple fusion. We will solve a neat question related to double fertilization and triple fusion. Now the question is, how many gametes and how many nuclei are involved in double fertilization? How many gametes and how many nuclei are involved in double fertilization? Now first let's see how many gametes are involved. We all know there are two male gametes and one female gamete. Two male gamete and one female gamete. So totally there are 3 gametes are involved. So answer is 3 gametes. Let's say how many nuclei are involved. 2 male gamete nuclei, 2 male nuclei, 1 female nucleus, 1 female nuclei plus 2 polar nuclei. So the answer is 5 nuclei are involved. Hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, if you find my videos are informational, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. What I need is your support.